Report number 26 in the Idaho 4 Bryan Kohberger case was scrubbed off the Idaho 4 website because it completely exonerates Bryan Kohberger. It runs a retraction, and it states right here, the document states, quote, the DNA profile previously obtained from item 1.4, which is that portion of the knife sheath seen in report number 4, indicates a mixture of DNA with a major profile, assuming a two-person mixture. Bryan Kohberger is excluded as being a contributor to this DNA mixture. This was the item that we were told the IGG matched him, and that's what caused everyone to focus on Bryan Kohberger as the perp in the Idaho 4 case. But they waited until after he was arrested to release a retraction in a separate report buried in report number 26. You guys decide for yourself, why would they do that? As a matter of fact, this lab report runs a lot of retractions stating that none of the samples found in the King Roadhouse, which had blood from another male source, these weren't touch samples, they were actual blood samples and DNA from another source, a male, and none of them matched Bryan Kohberger. And they knew this in February of 2023 because that's when this report was issued. The problem is Bryan Kohberger was already arrested, and then they still went ahead and indicted him in May, and that's when everything began. But this report, which was buried and hidden from the defense team, totally exonerates Bryan Kohberger because those male samples have to match somebody. And if they don't match Bryan Kohberger, that means there was an alternative perpetrator. Mystery lab report number 26 in the Idaho 4